Hi, welcome to another video. In this video, I show you how to connect to and read from your Azure SQL database from your Databricks Notebook. Let's have a look at a demo first. I click play after having, first, turned on the compute cluster. As you can see, the cell took only 1 second to run. This connected to the database table and displayed the table. We can see the data. There are 188 rows, which matches the number in the SQL database itself. Let's look more closely at the code, shall we? First, I retrieve the username and password, which already have been stored as scope secrets. See my earlier introductory video on creating secrets. Having first retrieved the server name and database name, I then assign them to 2 variables. This makes the later code easier to read. Next is the task of building the URL variable. You can see I use the JDBC and SQL Server Protocol. Previously, I ensured the IP address was open, allowing Databricks access to the database. This was done in the Azure portal on the database resource itself. Next, I define a query. Instead of using a query, you can just use the table name. I open a try exception to catch errors. Then, use the Spark read method to read the data from the table. I use many options, which include the previously declared variables and scope secrets. In the option that uses the DB table, it is here that the table name can be used instead. In this case, the table name is called dbo.country_data. Next, I use the create or replace temp view method. This is useful as it enables subsequent SQL statements on that data frame. Of course, preparing your data in the database first is also an option. But I do appreciate that many people do not have the option of creating queries directly in the database. In later videos, I show you how to write back to the database. That's it for this video. The code for this demo is in the supplied GitHub repo. Thanks for watching. And remember, I love you all.